Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Lionel Messi in Infinite Craft. So we have here our usual elements such as water, fire, wind, and earth. The first thing we need to do in order to create is just click on wind right here and then let's add earth on the wind. Now we have the dust right here. So on the dust, let's head over and then click another wind. Now we have sandstorm. On this sandstorm and another sandstorm, now we have dust storm. Let's add another sandstorm to that and we have dust bowl. So for this one, let's click on this water and add this right here. Now we have the mud. On this dust bowl, let's head over and then put this right here and we now have mud bowl. Now on this mud bowl, let's add another mud. Now we have football. So since we already have that, let's add another football. And we can see that we have soccer. Now for the soccer, let's add another element which is earth, and then let's add another earth for that. We have mountain. So for that mountain, let's merge that to soccer and we have a goal. This is a new form and then let's add another goal. We have a trophy. Now let's add in here soccer. Now we have champion. So for this one, let's head over and click on soccer again and let's add it right here. Now we have Ronaldo. So since we already have Ronaldo, let's head over and create Lionel Messi. So click on water right here and then add in the fire. Now we have the steam. So for this one, let's add in steam to Ronaldo. Now we have train. So click on Ronaldo right here and add this right here. Now we have Cristiano. So in here, the next thing is to head over and then add in Cristiano right here. Or you can also add in here Ronaldo as well. So let's add that. Now we have CR7. So for this CR7, let's click on this another element which is Ronaldo. Then let's add that right here. We have Cristiano Ronaldo. You can see that we can also add in here fire. And we now have Lionel Messi. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks!